Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to upload documents during Fundbox's onboarding. To finish setting up your Fundbox account, you're going to need to upload a few key documents, and here's how to do it step by step. First step, log into your Fundbox account. So go to fundbox.com and sign into your account using your credentials, and after logging in, you're going to be guided to your onboarding dashboard. Step 2, look for upload prompts. Fundbox will automatically prompt you to upload any missing documents during the onboarding. If you skipped it earlier, just go to Settings, Documents. Step 3 is to upload the required document. So you may be asked for government issued identification card, voided business checks or bank statements, also proof of business registration, that's the LLC documents, EIN documents, etc. So you just click upload and then select the appropriate file from your device. Step 4, file formats and sizes. You're going to make sure that your files are in PDF, JPEG, or PNG formats. Also, they got to be under 5 megabytes in size, and also you got to be clear and readable scans because these are a must. Step 5, confirm upload. Once uploaded, you're going to see a green check mark or uploaded status next to each item. Fundbox will notify you via email if anything else is needed. With documents submitted, your onboarding will proceed faster and you're that much closer to getting funded. And that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.